Has your insurance provider asked you to install a Thatcham approved tracker? Organised vehicle theft is on the rise. Thieves are using covert techniques to override car security, which means your vehicle could be gone in seconds. Thatcham approved trackers are the highest level of vehicle security. Therefore, many insurance providers won't insure your vehicle for theft without one fitted. Trackershop install Thatcham trackers in every UK postcode and have the largest network of engineers we can fit at short notice and visit wherever's most convenient for you, whether that's at home, work, or even the dealership. Your tracker has global coverage and is monitored 24/7 by a fully staffed control room. If an alert is triggered, the control room guide the police straight to your vehicle. If you need a tracker for your car insurance, Trackershop have you covered. Call Trackershop today.